Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be discussing about products that we can sell digitally, like digital products that we can sell online to make cool money, because some people have been asking me what kind of products can we sell, where can we sell it, and all. If you want to know, keep watching. Thank you for joining, and please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to get notification on when I post my new videos, and like my posts and share and comment. Thank you so much. So guys, I'm going to be mentioning 4 things you can design yourself with Canva and sell as a digital product. The first one is you can design an ebook. How to design an ebook. If you want to know how to design an ebook, comment ebook on the comment section and I will do a video of how to design an ebook with illustrations. So the first one is ebook. You can design a 20 pages ebook and just name it any interesting thing that will grab people's attention. Then the second one is courses, probably small courses, how to cook, how to design with Canva, like a simple courses that you can use to make cool money. Just make it simple for people to understand and learn, and you'll see your product will sell so fast. The third one is planners. You teach people how to make a planner, how they can make their day go well. So the fourth one is birthday card or a short training. Then if you also want to know where to sell your digital product, comment sell on the comment section and I will guide you through.